Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to talk about the USB cable charger for my phone. It's a normal generic cable I was using, and my first cable was I bought it with the brand new phone. It actually get damaged and I had to get another cable. This is my older cable, that's how it looks, and I was using it for I think so more than 2 years. It didn't give me problem, but I just decided to change the cable and just try this cable. This is the new cable. I tried this cable, and this is another cable I'm gonna open now. I'm gonna show you guys at how nice is this cable, and it charges fast. So compared to these ones, so this actually did the job, but not faster as this one. So let's try this one and then see how does it charge. So now it's connected, so I'm gonna connect to my now. There's a mini display here on the cable, as you can see. Yes, this is a fast charging cable, and you can use this cable to transfer your data and sync your phone to the computer. And I'm happy with this cable. This is quite good. You've got a mini display, and you always use a good quality cables when it comes to charge your phone, charge your tablet, iPads. So you must use a good quality cable. Thanks for watching.